Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. You know, the holidays are right around the corner, and if you're like me, you're probably already stressing about what to serve at your Christmas party. I mean, let's be real. No one wants to be that host who serves the same old boring snacks, right? So today, I've got 10 amazing Christmas party catering ideas that'll make your guests go, "Wow, this is incredible." Let's dive in, shall we? First up, the classic roast turkey and gravy station. Now, I know what you're thinking. Turkey is a must for Christmas, but why not take it up a notch? Instead of just plopping a whole turkey on the table, set up a station where guests can carve their own slices. You can have different types of turkey, maybe a traditional herb roasted one and a spicy Cajun version for those who like a kick. And don't forget the gravy. Make it rich and creamy, maybe with a hint of red wine or sage. Oh, and add some cranberry sauce on the side, sweet and tangy. It pairs perfectly with the turkey. Your guests will love being able to customize their plates, and it adds a fun, interactive element to the party. Next, Christmas ham with glazed sauce. Ham is another holiday staple, but let's make it unforgettable. Go for a spiral cut ham. It's easier to serve, and it looks beautiful on the table. Now, the glaze is where you can get creative. Try a brown sugar and pineapple glaze for a sweet, tropical twist, or a maple and Dijon mustard glaze for something a bit more savory. You can even add some cloves or cinnamon sticks to the glaze for that warm, Christmassy flavor. And here's a pro tip. Bake the ham with the glaze on low heat for a few hours so the flavors really sink in. The result? A ham that's juicy, flavorful, and so delicious your guests will be coming back for seconds and thirds. Third on the list, stuffed mushrooms. These little bites are perfect for a party. They're bite-sized, easy to eat, and packed with flavor. You can stuff them with all kinds of things: cream cheese and spinach, sausage and breadcrumbs, or even crab meat for a fancy touch. My personal favorite is a mix of feta cheese, garlic, and fresh herbs like parsley and thyme. Just hollow out the mushroom caps, fill them with the stuffing, and bake until they're golden brown. They're so good, your guests won't even realize they're eating vegetables. Plus, they're a great vegetarian option, so everyone can enjoy them. Fourth, mashed potatoes and gravy. Now, I know mashed potatoes might seem simple, but trust me, they're a crowd pleaser. The key is to make them extra creamy and fluffy. Use Yukon Gold potatoes. They're starchy and have a buttery flavor that's perfect for mashing. Add plenty of butter, milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. And if you want to get fancy, stir in some roasted garlic or chives. Now, the gravy, don't skimp on it. Make a rich, meaty gravy using the drippings from the turkey or ham. If you're vegetarian, you can use vegetable broth and mushroom drippings instead. Serve the mashed potatoes in a big bowl with a ladle, and let guests pour as much gravy as they want. It's comfort food at its best, and it'll warm everyone up on a cold Christmas night. Fifth, Christmas vegetable platter. Let's balance out all the rich, savory dishes with some fresh veggies. But this isn't just any veggie platter. Make it festive. Use red and green vegetables to match the Christmas colors: cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumber slices, and broccoli florets. You can even add some roasted Brussels sprouts or glazed carrots for a warm touch. For the dip, go beyond ranch. Try a creamy spinach and artichoke dip, or a hummus with roasted red peppers. And here's a fun idea: arrange the veggies in the shape of a Christmas tree or a snowman. It'll look adorable on the table, and it's a great way to get your guests to eat their veggies. Sixth, shrimp cocktail. This is a classic appetizer that never goes out of style. It's elegant, easy to make, and perfect for a Christmas party. Start with fresh, plump shrimp. Boil them until they're pink and tender, then chill them in ice water to keep them crisp. Serve them with a tangy cocktail sauce. You can make your own using ketchup, horseradish, lemon juice, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. For an extra touch of luxury, serve the shrimp on a bed of ice with lemon wedges and fresh parsley. It's light, refreshing, and a great way to start off the meal. Seventh, cheese and charcuterie board. This is a must-have for any party. Who doesn't love a good cheese board? The key is to have a variety of cheeses: soft, like brie or camembert, hard, like cheddar or Gouda, and blue, like Roquefort or Gorgonzola. Pair them with cured meats like prosciutto, salami, and chorizo. Add some crackers, bread, and fresh fruit like grapes, figs, and apples. And don't forget the extras: honey, nuts, and olives. Arrange everything on a wooden board or a slate platter for a rustic, elegant look. Your guests will love grazing on this throughout the party, and it's a great conversation starter too. 8. Mini Yorkshire puddings with roast beef. If you want to add a touch of British flair to your party, this is the dish for you. Yorkshire puddings are light, fluffy, and perfect for soaking up gravy. Make them mini so they're easy to eat. Just use a muffin tin instead of a baking dish. Fill them with thin slices of roast beef and top with a dollop of horseradish cream or mustard. They're savory, satisfying, and so delicious your guests will be asking for the recipe. Plus, they're a great way to use up leftover roast beef if you have any. Nice. Christmas-themed salad bar. Salads might not be the first thing you think of for a Christmas party, but a themed salad bar can be really fun. Start with a base of mixed greens, then add all kinds of toppings: roasted sweet potatoes, cranberries, walnuts, feta cheese, and pomegranate seeds. For the dressing, try a cranberry vinaigrette or a maple balsamic dressing. They're sweet and tangy, and they go perfectly with the Christmas theme. You can even add some edible glitter or sprinkles to the dressing for a festive touch. It's a healthy option that's still full of flavor, and your guests will love being able to build their own salads. Last but not least, the Christmas dessert station. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Set up a station with all kinds of Christmas-themed desserts: sugar cookies decorated like snowflakes and reindeer, gingerbread men, fruitcake, yes, fruitcake, if you make it right it's delicious, and of course a Yule log cake. For the Yule log, bake a chocolate sponge cake, roll it up with chocolate frosting, and decorate it to look like a log with chocolate shavings and meringue mushrooms. You can also add some hot cocoa or eggnog to the station. Warm drinks are perfect for a cold Christmas night. Your guests will love indulging in these sweet treats, and it's the perfect way to end the party on a high note. So there you have it, 10 amazing Christmas party catering ideas that are sure to impress your guests. Whether you're hosting a small gathering or a big party, these dishes are easy to make, delicious, and full of festive spirit. Remember, the key to a great party is to have fun and enjoy the company of your loved ones. So don't stress too much about the food. Just pick a few of these ideas, add your own personal touch, and let the good... So that's all for today's podcast. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.